To upgrade clustered peer agents, you first need to remote onto one of the cluster nodes and open the Failover Cluster Manager. Select Roles in the left-hand pane and then stop the clustered peer agent role. Next, bring the cluster disk back online. Run the peer agent installer that you renamed earlier to add _cluster to the end of the file name. When prompted by the installer, make sure the broker settings are correct and match those of the prior installation. Then click Next. Provide the credentials of your peer service account. When asked by the installer for the number of clustered file server roles, set it to the total number of roles that will run with an attached agent across all nodes in this particular cluster, and this number must match that of the previous installation. When prompted for each clustered file server role, enter the exact file server role name and the agent working directory. The working directory will point to a location on a cluster disk attached to that cluster file server role, and these settings must match those of the previous installation. Click Next when you're ready, and then Finish to complete. When the installation has completed, repeat these upgrade steps on all other nodes in the cluster. I only have 2 nodes in this cluster, so I'll speed through the steps on the second node. Once you've upgraded the peer agent software on all nodes in the cluster, open the Failover Cluster Manager and start the peer agent role. As a final check, go back to the Peer Management Center client and make sure that all of the agents are now connected and showing in green. If you're using the HTML client, you might have to click the browser's refresh button to see that. But with all of the agents now upgraded and connected, any jobs using those agents can be started, and then everything is complete. I hope this playlist on using PeerGFS in a clustered environment has been helpful. Actually, if you're a Peer software customer, why not hit subscribe and the notification bell so that you'll get notified when we release more of these how-to videos. We certainly have some more planned for the near future, and we wouldn't want you to miss out. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again in the next video.